Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Photos and navigating to Library, then Utilities and Locked Folder. Authenticate with your device PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock so you can access hidden items. Once inside, press and hold one photo to enter selection mode. Make sure you pick every file you want restored now because locked folder items do not back up automatically. After selection, note the three-dot menu or the Move option. This is how you begin transferring images back into your... With your items selected, tap the three-dot menu or the Move icon. Choose Move to Photos or Move out of Locked Folder and confirm the action. This removes files from the secure container and restores them to your main library so thumbnails and backups can resume. Once moved, you should see them immediately in the Photos tab. Make sure to check albums or search by date if you don't spot them. Because Locked Folder blocks cloud backup, this move is the simple way to reinstate normal access and syncing. Final steps. Once photos are back in Photos, enable backup and sync so Google Photos uploads them to the cloud. You can also export or transfer copies to a PC for extra safety. If some images don't appear, make sure you're signed into the same Google account and that the app is updated. Then restart the device to clear glitches. Troubleshooting tip. If items remain missing, check for device encryption, /settings, or use the file manager to inspect local storage. Sometimes a permissions reset fixes hidden files issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.